Take off. This is a video of Colleen waving to all of her guests from the sprinter van.
Filled with your family and friends, your intention to enter into marriage will be strengthened by the Lord with a sacred seal. Christ blesses the love that binds you. And now, through this new sacrament, He will enrich and strengthen you, that you may be faithful to each other forever and assume the duties of married life.
May you have a wonderful honeymoon and a fulfilling life, and we wish you all the best. We're just thrilled to death, and we wish both